Order filled.
Good morning, everyone. Today is Friday, July 5th, 2024, and we're going up with QQQ. H pattern, moving average bounce, H pattern. H pattern, moving average bounce, lightning to the upside. 50% retracement, retesting off of Wednesday's high of the day, lightning to the upside. We have a B-type retracement, retesting around the 1/4, 1/3 area, so the statistical probability is extremely high that it will make it back to the high of the day, if not farther.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $1 move, ladies and gentlemen. Now, we're going to stick around because the statistical odds of this continuing just increase dramatically. We broke through the 493 area. So if it would fail, it'd fail closer to the 493.25. But if it accelerates through that area, there's going to be still strength to the upside. So we're going to play it bar by bar. This next bar that opens in about 3 seconds will determine whether we're going to take profits or we're going to lock in profits. I want to see this accelerate up and pass the high of the day and continue. And there you are. That is the exact event that we were looking for. So right now we're going to lock in that guaranteed dollar and we're going to manage this bar by bar. At this point, hold on, the statistical odds of it getting to 494 are very high, so we're just going to hold out. We're going to see how it reacts off the 494 area. We have a C-type retrace on the 2-minute chart. So we came up, we're going up diagonally, and I believe we're going to shoot up farther. So failure area, my expectations based on what the price is telling me at this present moment, roughly around 494.25, maybe 494.50 cents, and then we might come back down. So we're going to play it bar by bar as usual, but that's what I see, so we're going to react accordingly.
Horizontal line triggered on symbol QQQ.
And there's a $2 move, but as you can see, we went right up to that 494 area, so let's just see how it reacts off of the 494.25. As you can see, we're up to the 494.25 area, so if this price goes up real quick, we might punch out. Right now.
Order filled.
And there's a $2.30 move, ladies and gentlemen, but this looks like it's getting ready to go down, so we're going to stick around. We might swap out our contract real quick, but hold on one second. If this price drops farther, hold on. I'm looking for a specific situation. There we go. There we go. All right. So we're going to swap out the contract real quick, and then we might be prepared to go back down with the market. All right. What I see on our 1-minute chart is an inverted H wide state situation with an inverted H with our oscillators. On the 2-minute, I see an inverted H wide state, inverted H with our oscillators. I see a V pattern, wide state, oscillator agreement on our 5-minute chart. So on the next bar open, we're going to go down with QQQ.
Order filled.
I expect this price to drop farther than $1 and go back to the point of control. And here we are, ladies and gentlemen. We're back to the point of control right here. So we'll see how it reacts off of this 50 moving average. If it takes a quick dive, maybe down to the 492.50-ish area, we'll tap out. But I want to see how it reacts off this 50 moving average. It might hold up and we'll just take our profits and run. All right, based on what this next bar does, we'll make our determining factor of whether we're going to stick around or tap out.
Order filled.
And there we are, $2.30 up, $1.60 down.